Hey guys, it's the Regular Dane. So I've got a Polaris 380 to fix right here, and this is why you clicked on the video. But what we're gonna do is replace this piece right here. This is the 380 feed pipe timer blank assembly. But basically what happened is that my float broke off. So this tube, I need to pull this out with the pliers here. Pull this off right here. This is how the float attaches, threaded kind of into that plastic. But these things get old and brittle and they can break. And this is where it broke right here. So if you want a temporary fix, what I did was I drilled a hole straight in, and then I put a screw in, and then I cut the tip off, and then I screwed, and then I drilled a hole in this side, and then I drilled it or screwed it back in, but that didn't last very long. So anyway, that could be a temporary fix before you get the original part right here. What we're gonna do is replace this whole thing. So first thing, these two screws need to come out right here. Then this cover will come off right here. Don't lose your screws. And now you can see that that is the piece that is going to be replaced. So we'll take this hose nut off, we'll loosen that up. And just be careful when you're replacing stuff on these because they can be really brittle. Now let's take this off. This top part, or your blue body, should just pull right off, just like that. And then now you see on this side, we've got 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. And then that just lifts out of there. This is the part that we are replacing. Once you get the 3rd screw out of there, this will just lift up. This and O-ring is right here. Part we are replacing. And put everything back together in reverse order. Just like that. There we go. I'm going to put the lid back on. And the new part is on there, so slide that back. Put this piece back on, but we got to slide it over now. Put our 2 screws in. Good. Net back on. Put our nut on. The hose on. Tighten this up. And then we'll take our float and thread it on. And there we go. We are good to go. Now this thing should work a little bit better and float correctly. Okay, so that is how to replace the feed pipe assembly for the Polaris 380 pool cleaner. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.